Here I have a simple table in Access 2016, but I want to create this table in SQL using SQL. I'll show you how to do that. Go to Create, Query Design, and the dialog box pops up. Close and Design, and in the upper left-hand corner, SQL View, and we want to use SQL View. We'll just get rid of this. And we want to create a table, so create. And I want to call this table customer T. T for table. And open up a parentheses and we enter. The first field I had in the table was customer ID. And I want to make that an integer, and I want to put not null. Okay, what that means is it cannot be empty. And I will make this the primary key, comma, enter. The next field I had was first name, and I want to make that variable characters, and I want to set a limit of, let's say, 50. I don't know of any first name longer than 50 characters. There is, but for the most part, we'll be safe with 50, comma, return. Last name and variable character, set a limit of, again, 50, comma, return, or enter. The next field I had was address. City, state, but for the limit on state, I want 2, because when you mail a letter, you use the state code. For example, Indiana, IN, Idaho, ID, it's only 2 characters. And zip, and we'll just put 50, comma, return. And the last field I had was customer since. And I want to make that a date field. And enter and close the parentheses. So if you notice, I opened the parentheses and I closed the parentheses, and I have a comma after each one, indicating that there's more to follow, except the last one. There's no comma there. So if I go to design and I run the query, with a little bit of luck, on the left-hand side, a table will appear called customer T. And take a look. There it is, customer T. Let's take a look at it. And customer ID, first name, last name, so on and so on. And we'll take a look at the first table again. Let's look at the customer T in design view. And first name, 50 characters. Field size, 50. And we'll jump all the way down to state, 2 characters, just as I put it in SQL. Customer since is a date time field. Okay, so on the next video, we will insert information into this table using the insert into command.